Did you know there's a torpedo that can cause a radioactive tsunami? Russia has built a weapon called Poseidon, and it's terrifying. Poseidon is not just a torpedo, it's a doomsday device. It's powered by a nuclear reactor and can travel across oceans. Once activated, it disappears underwater for days or weeks. No one knows exactly where it is or where it's going. Poseidon is over 20 meters long and weighs 100 tons. It moves silently at 100 kilometers per hour deep below the surface. It carries a nuclear warhead, possibly 100 megatons strong. That's more than 3,000 times the bomb dropped on Hiroshima. Poseidon is designed to bypass all missile defense systems. It can sneak into coastal cities and explode offshore. The blast wouldn't just destroy, it would flood cities. The explosion triggers a radioactive tsunami 500 meters high. Seawater would turn into a wave of nuclear fallout. Coastal regions could become uninhabitable for decades. The weapon is autonomous. It doesn't need human control. Once launched, Poseidon completes its mission alone. Russia says it's a response to U.S. missile defenses, but critics warn it invites global annihilation. Poseidon was tested near the Arctic, in secret waters. Satellite images spotted mysterious objects moving under ice. Some analysts call it the second strike apocalypse. It's meant to destroy even after Russia is gone. If Moscow is hit by nukes, Poseidon still takes revenge. It makes sure no one wins a nuclear war. The West fears Poseidon changes the balance of terror, a single weapon that could wipe out an entire coast. But how real is the threat, and is it unstoppable? The oceans may already hide a silent monster waiting to strike.